Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone and seeing that you've made money while you were sleeping. I'm talking about money that came in without you lifting a finger. No complicated skill, no headless survey, no late night grinding away. Just install this app, set them up and let them do their thing. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 passive income apps that actually pays. And the best part is they work worldwide. Whether you are in Nigeria, the US, Canada, India, or anywhere else, you can use this app and start earning from today. And by the way, when I say passive income here, I mean income that come in with little to no active work from you after setup. Now, before we jump into the list, let me make one thing clear. This is not a get rich quick scheme. You are not going to be earning millions overnight. The app are perfect for a little extra cash on the side. With all that being said, let's dive in. The first app on my list is called Honeygain. I'll be leaving the links to all these websites and apps in the description. So just go to the description and click on the link for easy access, okay? The Honeygain app is one of the easiest passive income stream you will ever find. Once you install it on your phone, laptop, or even multiple devices, it works quietly in the background. What does it do? It basically shares your unused data bandwidth with trusted companies for research and content delivery. You are not selling your personal data, you are just letting them use some of your spare internet. The Honeygain app is available on Android, Windows, Mac, Linux, and a lot more. For you to get the app downloaded to your device, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and you are going to see download. Click on it and it will be downloaded to your device. As the app is being downloaded, go to your device and open the app. Once you open the app, agree to the terms of service. Once you click on agree to the terms of service, it's going to load up and it's going to bring you here. You can click here that says how does Honeygain works. I'm just going to skip it, so I'm just going to click on skip introduction. So you can see here it said use mobile data. If turned off, Honeygain will work only on Wi-Fi, yes or no. I'm just going to be clicking yes, okay? Once I click on yes, I'm going to toggle this one on. This place that says mobile data limit, I'm just going to be leaving mine at 5 GB. Note that you can decide to increase it or you can decide to increase it, okay? So I'm just going to be leaving mine at 5 GB. That's how much data or how many MB do you want this device to consume in a month. So I'm just going to be leaving mine at 5. Once that is done, I'm just going to click on done. As you can see, the Honeygain has started, okay? So this is how it's going to be. As you can see, I'm having 0.0. With just few moments, you are going to see that it's going to be adding up because I've already on it and it's already active, okay? So few moments later, I came back, it's already in 2,000 points. I'm not saying it's $2,000. All these points will be converted into gift card or into cash that you can withdraw, okay? So basically that's how the Honeygain works, okay? So you can also refer people here for you to earn more.
Quick break. If you want to earn 5k to 20k daily using just your phone, I've got something for you. It's my ebook, The Lazy Smartphone Horses. 7 easy smart ways anyone can start today. Grab your copy now. The link is in the description.
Second app is called Correct or Mode N app. If you love music, this one is perfect for you. The app pays you to listen to music. You choose from thousands of stations and genres. As the music plays, you earn points. Head over to Play Store and search for Current or Mode app. As you can see on your screen, mine is showing open because it's already installed on my phone. Yours will show install. Just click on install. Once you are done installing it, click on open. It's going to load up and it will take you to an interface like this. All you need to do is for you to sign up with your Gmail and you will be here. On this app, you can do other things apart from music. As you can see on your screen, you can play games, you can read news, you can watch videos, and you can also do surveys in order for you to earn with this app. For you to start earning, click on music. When you click on music, it's going to load up and it's going to bring you to an interface just like this. As you can see, there are many kind of music that you can actually listen to here and start earning. You can listen to rap music, hip hop, pop, R&B, any kind of music at all. Okay, you can also click on this search bar to search with the music name, that's the music title, or you can search with the artist name. So that's basically how you can earn on this platform. And as I earlier said, you can earn through surveys and you can earn through gaming. The third app is Swagbucks. It's a reward platform where you earn points by answering surveys, watching videos, and shopping online, or you can even just search the web and you get paid for it. All you need to do is to click the link on my description. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. You need to verify your Gmail. As you can see, mine is showing check because it's been verified. You can see the other side here, it said complete your profile. So I'm going to click on it so that I can complete my profile and start taking survey as soon as I can. Okay, so once I click on it, it's going to load up and it's going to take me to an interface just like this. First one here is are you a male or a female? I'm just going to click on male. Basically, it's just simple basic informations they need to know about you. Okay, so just do well to answer the basic info. I think it's going to take 2 minutes or less. Before you know, you will be done. So I am done here. They told me congratulations. So it's time for me to start taking surveys. Now click on no thanks, I want to start taking surveys. It's going to take you to the home page. Okay, while you are on the home page, you can just scroll through and see what is going on the platform. Click on the daily bonus. So I click on daily bonus, it's going to load up and it's going to refresh the page. Okay, once the page is being refreshed, just scroll down and you'll see the bonuses you have for today. As you can see, you can shop and earn on eBay, all these platforms that are showing here. When you shop with them, like this first one here, this Walmart, when you shop with Walmart today, is going to give you 5% 1% cashback. Sorry, this other one, this Best Buy, is going to give you 10% cashback ever you shop, in as much you are doing the shopping right from this platform. Okay, you can also play games and earn. As you can see, these are all the games that are available for me to actually play and earn. Okay, click on view all. It's going to load up and take me to all the games that are actually available for me to play as at the time I was making this video. As you can see, there are a whole lot of games here that I can place my hand on, play them, and I'll be earning money for playing games. How cool is this? If you have not yet liked this video, this is the best time for you to like this video. It will tell the YouTube algorithm that this video is worth sharing so that it can be shared to much people. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Turn on your post notification to get notified each time I drop a beautiful content just like this. And also don't forget to comment with the country you are watching for so that I can make a deep research for the best any apps or hustles that are suitable in your country. When you click on browse surveys, the page is going to load up. Okay, so once the page is done loading up, just begin to scroll up. As you can see, you'll be seeing a whole lot of surveys that are available for you to start doing. Okay, as you can see, these are a bunch of surveys that you can actually give answers to, give your opinion about, and you will start earning money for that. How cool is this? With these 3 apps combined, you can easily earn $20 per week. That's almost 100k in a month. This should be enough for your data or just saving some passive income. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on your post notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content like this. And don't forget to comment with the country you are watching for so that I can do a deep research and come out with hustles and apps that pay specifically for your country. Bye, and I will see you in my next video.